Welcome, here I've got VIVO Y70 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick this we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have the framing lines option, so these are the grid lines at this device. By using this button we can easily turn them on and turn them off like that as we need. For now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to see it. And as you can see we have these lines. This is useful for example when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left corner at the bottom to the gallery, we can't see them at the real one, so the grid lines are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we don't need this, we can still go back to the settings in the right corner and use this button to turn them off. So for now, in the camera preview, we can see that the grid lines have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.